Get served with divorce or custody papers, or your significant other or ex tells you they're going to file, you may feel paralyzed and unsure about what to do next. What you may not know is the first few steps could have a huge impact on how your case eventually turns out. Attorney Justin Sisemore from the Sisemore Law Firm joins me to give you some hands-on advice. A little hand-holding is really good at a time like this.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning. Nice to have you here.
Thank you.
You've earned a lot of nominations and awards year after year. We're looking at some of them on the screen right now. Why is that type of recognition important for clients?
Well, there's a lot of great lawyers out there, and I think that it's really important for the viewers to understand that when you have the diversity of these kind of awards, it's a recognition of a good business practice and also good lawyers, and it's just helpful to kind of help you get through the weeds a little bit in the process of selecting an attorney.
A selection process,
yes,
narrowing it down. Okay, what are the first 4 steps that viewers should take to avoid costly mistakes when faced with a divorce or a custody battle?
Well, first and foremost, it's very, very important to consult a lawyer. There's a lot of pitfalls that people face when they're first going into a divorce or child custody case. Protecting your finances, making sure you've secured your bank statements, your credit cards, all of your income. People often get left out by themselves with no help or assistance whatsoever because the other side cuts off their credit cards. So your finances are very important to know where they are and how you can secure them. As far as your home, protecting your home and your evidence, very important to understand you don't just get to come into a courtroom and conclude. You must absolutely have evidence to back it up.
Right.
So a lot of people step out of the residence, they don't take any of the stuff with them that they need to show the courts, and they don't get a chance to go back in there oftentimes for 6 or 8 months after a temporary hearing.
Okay, your first advice was to consult an attorney right away. If our viewers already have an attorney but are not happy with them, is it a good idea to consult another lawyer, potentially switch? What's your advice on that?
I don't recommend an immediate switch. I think it's very important to understand we are here to help you. We're here to help the viewers. And if your attorney is not answering questions and not coming up with clear strategy, think about the timing of when to switch. Before trial or mediation, right before may not be the best move. But that's the purpose of the consult. That allows us to come in there and really see if we can help.
And I think what you're saying is really interesting because these first few steps may not seem significant because you're caught up in the emotion of the time, but at the same time, what you do in the first few steps is critically important for you, for your kids' lives,
yes,
for the rest of your life.
Absolutely. We deal with this situation all the time where clients just exercise self-help, what they think is helping or helpful, and oftentimes it becomes a disaster in a courtroom.
Okay, you gave some great advice. We can only touch on the topics. How can viewers learn more about these various topics?
We have great blogs, we have great Facebook presence, and there's a lot of information on our website, lawyerdfw.com. They can log on there and really get some good insight. Google's very helpful in gathering some key information, but log on to sisemorelawfirm.com, www.lawyerdfw.com.
And you, in fact, have a complimentary consultation. What do viewers need to do in order to take advantage of that?
We do. I spend a lot of time on consultations themselves, so this month, through the end of the month, we're offering a complimentary consultation to help them get through and navigate their key legal issues.
All right. Thank you so much for being here this morning and offering that consultation to our viewers. You can call 817-336-4444 or go to lawyerdfw.com for more information. Don't miss your chance to get a complimentary consultation until September 30th. All you have to do is mention GMT.